like catching waves out to sea. Doing stuff that's not comfortable with me, yeah. Makes me feel free. Doing stuff that's new to me, like catching waves out to sea. Doing stuff that's not comfortable with me, yeah. Makes me feel free. Doing stuff that's new to me, like catching waves out to sea. Doing stuff that's not comfortable with me, yeah. Makes me feel free, yeah.
I'm on a couch. Why am I on a couch?
William!
Oh dear. Okay, whatever I didn't do it. William, what in the fuck did you do? I'm telling you this again, Dale. I did not do anything wrong. I didn't do nothing. Why did you commission furry artists to make you into a furry? I don't know, I was bored. Yeah, well, thanks to your boredom, we're now in debt. I can see what the problem is. Well, until we can make the money back, we're going to have to do some actual work. And by we, I mean you! Fine, what do you want me to do? Clean the yard. Also, holy shit, he landed on his wheels. Well, have fun! Daylight, you alright? No. God, I really don't know what is up with William and all these furry stuff. Also, my god, I really hate them so much. Don't you mean afraid? Shut up. Why not give him like a therapist or like counseling or pills to make him not like that stuff? Okay, the pill stuff is stupid. The therapist, I don't think will work. Why not just kill him? No, he's a popular character of the series. And by popular, I mean main. Just like me. Oh. Excuse me, I'm just gonna take these back. Thank you. What? Yeah, well, anyways, I got him out in the yard doing yard work stuff. Just so he could make money. Wait, yard work? So, like, if he does good, are you gonna pay him? Oh. I got an idea on how to make money. Household charge. Patreon. Bad idea. Oh. Why are you even friends with him? Why not? Alright, I'm just gonna go to sleep. Good night, y'all. Good night. Did he just fall off the shed? I think he's about, like, let's go to sleep. What?